Hello everyone at home, I'm your host Kieran and this is your co-host Roy and welcome to a new episode of Unboxing with Pammy. And today, as always in every episode, we've got something exciting, something compact, something that will get you places, something that you can wear on your back, something you can fold in the car, something that's under 15 kilos. So, let's get stuck into it. And here it is! What was that noise? Folding Electric H1. That's right. Look, let's flip this around. As you can see with some of the specs we've got, it's top speed of 18 kilometers per hour with a distance before needing to be recharged at 30 kilometers. That's pretty far. Let's get straight into unboxing this and see what is inside. We're dealing with a grey one, it says. There's the manual. There goes an Allen key, a spare one. Charger. There it is.
It's folded up really well.
This can go in a bag, a backpack. There we go. This is our Australian 240 volt charger, standard. Weighs in at about 14.5 kilos, which is really practical. It can be lifted quite simply, as you can see, one-handed to be carried. If we look around here, guys, this is the battery charging port. Now, we can actually pull this bad boy out. Boom. Look at that. So strong. Then you've got your little section down here where it connects in like so. Bang, we're charging. We're often charging, leave that overnight, or obviously leave it in a device and charge. Okay? It's that simple. So let's transform this. Did you see what it said? Transform. It's kind of like a transformer, isn't it? The first thing you need to do is pull the chair up. Okay, that clicks into place. You've got an adjustment thing under here as well. Then you unclick the steering. That comes up like so. These fold out, your handlebars. It clicks into place. Look at that, how easy that was. This lever here, see it? There's a gap. What this lever is doing is it pulls it in tightly. To unlock it, you pull the pin, then pull the lever, and it starts to snap apart, like so. These red sections are for locking in and out. Once that's locked in, it's not going to go anywhere. We've got an accelerator, vroom, 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 and a brake on this side. Okay, this is your adjustable, so you can bring this up and lock it off with your Himo lock. Okay, now, that was a workout pulling them tires out. They lock in, okay, as you can see, make sure they're locked in hard. To unlock them, you pull this little lever out, you pull that out, you pull that down, unlocks the wheel. Make sure when putting the wheel back into this section, it's got little pins, it locks it in hard, otherwise they come out loose. So you pop these out, you've got your little footrest on each side, and off you go. Now, let's turn this on. So here is your power. As you can see, on it goes. Ooh, if I do twice, light comes on. Bada bing, bada bang. Oh, look at that power. That's a whole, was it 18 it got up to? You can see.
Pretty fast.
Now, like I was saying, weighs in around 14.5 kilos, which is literally nothing. It's rural driven. It can be carried by the handles like I showed. It does fold to roughly A4 in size. So,
A4.
Well, like
A3.
A3, sorry, A3. I always get them all mixed up. The 2s, the 3s, the 4s. I know it's paper. The tyres actually take a lot of the shock, I've noticed when I ride it.
Are the tyres soft to touch?
Yeah, within reason. Not super soft,
That's
but
good.
but they're rubber soft.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, like I don't see a valve, so I'm thinking they're solid core. It actually has 180 watts of brushless DC motor power. Okay, and the battery is a 7,500 mAh lithium battery. What is mAh?
Milliamp hours.
So the battery is 7,500 milliamp hour lithium battery, which promises, that's right, promises you 30 kilometers or 18.5 miles if you're in America.
So it's 30 k's an hour.
No, it's 30 kilometers it can travel.
Oh, right.
In America, 18.5. The brakes are amazing. It actually pulls up so quickly. You can actually not adjust them. You can actually start to feather it to know when to brake and so forth. The weight capacity to be safe is around 100 kilos. It has a top speed of 18 kilometers per hour or 11 miles per hour in America. See how I'm being versatile? I'm catering to everyone across the world. I'm not just doing kilometers because we're here in Australia. I'm doing everything. At the end of the day, this compact little device that you can take on the train, you can pack in your boot, you can put in a bag, you can put it under your bed, you can hide in the cupboard, you can put it under the table. It almost fits under a chair as well. It weighs absolutely nothing. It can be carried, it can be put in up on the shelf to be pulled down. You can't go too far with it, but in saying that, why would you want to travel to another state on this? Like realistically, you'd take maybe the Z20 or the C26 if you were gonna go long distance. That's not a plug, I'm just saying. You know. That's another Himo product.
It's for trips to the shop.
Trips to the shops.
Yeah.
You can't pick the kids up from school. I know you said that when we first tried it. You're like, I could pick the kids up. Where are you gonna put them on the handlebar? Little basket on the front. Roy's got Ari in there. Off she goes. If you want to know more information about this, you can head over to Himo's website or to the PAMI website, which we'll have up on the screen. If you've got any questions, hit us up below and I'll more than happily get back to you. Have an amazing day. I'm Kieran. This is Roy. This is a Himo H1. Till next time, enjoy riding.